Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download YouTube videos on your phone. So this is the iPhone I have, and it works the same way for Android and iPad as well. So you go to YouTube app right here, and also if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe and follow this video step by step. I'm gonna show you how to download it. So for example, you found a video on YouTube right here and you want to download, first of all, let's say this one, and let's stop it. And right now this is the new UI right here. As you can see, the new UI includes the thumbs like and the Gemini right here, and you see the three dot right here. Just tap on that and you're gonna see at the bottom right here, download. So if you hit download, it's gonna save, it's gonna download it. So you won't see it right here, but it's downloading. And I'm gonna show you right here. If you go down, so it says video downloaded, and you go right here to your profile on the bottom right, and you tap right here. You just go down, close this, and you go see download right here. And right here, this is the video I just downloaded right here on my phone. So you can actually see, will automatically download recommended videos over Wi-Fi, so always have something to watch offline. You can turn that on, or you can also dismiss, because you're not gonna want a lot of space if you run out of space. So it says you download, and you can delete this from download as well. So let me show you. If I disable the Wi-Fi on my phone, I'm gonna put it on airplane mode, make sure the Wi-Fi is off, and now I'm gonna play this video, and as you can see, it's playing right now. And if you go forward right here, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, it's still playing like this. So that means it's fully offline. So if you traveling on an airplane or going on a road trip where you don't have Wi-Fi, you can download this to your phone. And so I'm going to show you another video just to show you that music also works. For example, so I have to enable the Wi-Fi again in order to download this. So if you go to Wi-Fi and you go to a music, for example, any music on here, you can go to the three dots right here, and at the bottom it says download right here, as you can see, and you want to hit download, and it's downloading right here. So keep the app open to download faster, and you can hit view. Sorry, so I missed the hit view, but you go to profile right here, go down to download, it's way at the bottom, and right here it's downloading 64%, 71% right now. So you're gonna be able to listen to music while you're on the airplane, or you're traveling, or you don't have any Wi-Fi on your phone. So you can turn off right here, just as I showed you earlier, the airplane mode. Then you go to here, and the music is playing. As you can see, it's playing right now, 10 seconds, and when you go, it's still playing, 32 minutes right here. So this is good if you want to have music. It works on any videos right here, and as well. So that's how you download on YouTube videos and watch it offline. And so don't forget to re-enable it if you want to download more videos. And if you find this video helpful, please give a big thumbs up, share this video if you find this helpful, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys next video.